Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present CarbonLensAI, an intelligent and user-friendly carbon footprint monitoring system designed to make sustainability measurable, personalized, and actionable for every user. So here's the flow of today's presentation. We'll begin with the problem, then our objectives, solution architecture, unique features, expected outcomes, and finally the conclusion. Climate impact comes from daily choices, transport, food, and electricity. But most individuals are unaware of their personal carbon footprint. Existing calculators have major limitations. They are not personalized, they ignore real behavior, they are region agnostic, they provide non personalized suggestions, they feel like filling a text form instead of being user friendly. So our goal became clear: build a calculator that's smarter, simpler, and user centered. First, we train and compare ML models for accurate emission prediction. We estimate emissions across transport, diet, and energy using localized data. We deliver AI driven recommendations and use behavioral nudges to encourage long term habit change. So, here's the system flow. First, we collect data from users through APIs. Then, ML model predicts real time emissions. AI model generates personalized recommendations. And then, app dashboard visualizes footprint and measures user behavior. Right now, the backend uses well-researched emission factors, but the architecture is fully AI ready. Carbon Lens AI brings six innovations that are region-specific accuracy, vehicle and traffic aware estimates, personalized profiles, AI predictions, behavioral nudges, and gamification. Now, the final deliverables would be the prototype app, carbon estimation model, and these are the short-term and long-term impacts. So, finally, Carbon Lens AI helps people see and understand their carbon footprints clearly. By combining machine learning with AI driven guidance, we don't just measure emissions, we suggest practical steps to reduce them. The system makes sustainability personal, actionable, and achievable. And with time, it can scale to communities and policy, enabling meaningful climate action. So now let's walk through the prototype. So, welcome to Carbon Lens AI, an AI-powered personal carbon footprint companion designed to help users measure, understand, and reduce their climate impact. When a user signs up for the first time, we collect a few basic details like region, household size, and home type. This allows us to automatically pre-fill data so users never have to re-enter them every time they calculate their footprint. We are also building a fully adaptive onboarding system that learns and evolves based on user behavior. So after logging in, users land on the dashboard designed like a fitness tracker, but for carbon. At the center, we display the monthly carbon footprint. Here it shows 420 kg CO2. Instead of showing just a number, we translate it into an equivalent that's equal to two trees required to offset this month's emissions. On the right, users see progress over here. Here they have achieved a 12% reduction compared to last month. Below that, we show a category-wise breakdown, like household 180 kg, transport 150 kg, and food 90 kg of CO2 footprint. This makes it instantly clear where their lifestyle is impacting the environment the most. To support habit change, we show a daily tip such as switch to LED bulbs to reduce lighting emissions by 80%, a weekly challenge such as use public transport twice this week, the simple progress tracker that's here. On the right, a comparison bar helps users understand how they rank against state average, national average, and global average. And to close the loop, we have an offset my emissions button that connects users to verified climate projects. So the dashboard is not just data, it gives meaning, motivation, and action. So now let's move to the core feature, the Smart Footprint Calculator. So here, when the user clicks Calculate Footprint, a dedicated model opens. So firstly, there's a transport. which takes the input such as today's commute range. So today I traveled, let's suppose 10 to 20 kilometers through bus, and the traffic was pretty low. Did I so now electricity, again an important input. I live in Gujarat. Let's say I used AC for 3.5 hours. Then fan, I used two fans. Okay. Then lights, I used four lights. My home size is medium. Uh, so home size, uh, and then food and diet. Let's suppose I ate egg meals outside today. I had one meal outdoor. Then I prefer dairy heavy meal. And suppose I used hot water for 20 minutes. Daily screen time is usually 4 to 6 hours. I generate less kitchen waste. Yeah, so finally let's enter calculate. When the user clicks calculate, our backend generates total yearly footprint, category wise breakdown. That's here. Action suggestions that like equivalent to 7 trees needed to offset yearly emissions. We use standard IPCC database datasets, India-specific electricity emission factors, and behavioral estimation models. So the architecture is already built to support predictive habit modeling, seasonal region adjustments, AI-powered personalization, and in future we could add IoT smart meter so a future version can track emissions automatically with you. This prototype is not just a calculator, it's foundation for a fully intelligent carbon monitoring ecosystem. Smart, simple, personalized, and ready for an AI-powered sustainable future. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to show you the fully functional version soon once CarbonLens AI becomes a complete app.